Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now we would like to discuss chapter 1. It is about paragraph structure. So here we would like to discuss what you need to write in order to write a good paragraph. Alright. Now please pay attention. We have already discussed this in the classroom actually what a paragraph is. So as you can see here, a paragraph is a group of related sentences that discuss one and usually only one main idea. So in your assignment previously, there are some of the work of you that discuss more than one idea in one paragraph. For example, that's okay, Andra. Do not get embarrassed because yours will be the example. In Andra's writing, Andra wrote about first about a song, a Japanese song, and then the second one it is about the singer Lisa, if I'm not mistaken. So there are too many ideas in one paragraph. It is actually not good. So if you want to write a good paragraph, you should focus on one main idea only. So for example, in Andra's case, Andra actually wanted to write about Lisa, so he should have started with Lisa, not about a Japanese song, which is too general to start a paragraph. All right, then you can read it here. Yeah, a paragraph can be as short as one sentence or as long as 10 sentences. So the number of sentences is not important. However, the paragraph should be long enough to develop the main idea clearly. So it's okay if you want to write like one sentence or 10 sentences as long as what you have discussed in that paragraph covers your main idea. All right, but in our course I expect you not to write one sentence in for one paragraph, yeah, because I want you to train yourself to write more and more. So I think it is not good for you to write only one sentence for one paragraph. All right. Actually, a paragraph may stand it by itself. In academic writing, you often write a paragraph to answer a test question. So, for example, when you are in exam, of course, you are sometimes required to write something, and it is in the form of paragraph. So, paragraph sometimes stand alone, but paragraph may also be one part of a longer piece of writing, such as an essay or a book. So, of course, you have seen many paragraphs in a book, right? So, a paragraph can stand by itself, or paragraph is, a paragraph can be a part of many paragraphs in a book, or in a novel, or in an essay, and so on. So usually we write a paragraph by indenting the first word. What is meant by indenting means that, for example, look at here. So you when you type it, you click the tab in your keyboard. So the paragraph will be indented, while here it is not indented. Okay, so it is the sign that it is a paragraph. So like here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 paragraphs. Okay, because there are indented sign here. All right, now here we have an example of a good paragraph. It is about gold. Look at this together. Okay, gold is a precious metal, is prized for two important characteristics. So by reading the first sentence, I think you can predict what will be discussed in the next sentences. Okay, look at here. Gold, a precious metal, is prized for two important characteristics. So what we expect to come next is, of course, the discussion of these two important characteristics. Look at this. First of all, blah, 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 blah. For example, blah, blah, blah. And then another important characteristic of gold is blah, 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 blah. And look at the last one. In conclusion, gold is treasured not only for its beauty, but also for its utility. So you start with a good and with a specific, not specific, yeah, with a good topic sentence, and then in the last part you will conclude what you have already stated. So in conclusion, gold is treasured not only for its beauty but also for its utility. So from the conclusion we can tell that in the content here, the important characteristics of the goal, it's for beauty and also for utility. So the writer have already summarized or concluded what he or she already discussed in the content of the paragraph. All right, now I want you to answer these questions. Yeah, so do this writing technique questions. Please do from number 1 to number 4. Answer the questions based on this paragraph. For example, what is the topic and so on. Actually, I have already discussed this, but I want you to write it down. All right, now the 3 parts of paragraph. So look at here, a paragraph, the 3 parts. So what we can predict is that in a paragraph, in a good paragraph, should consist of 3 parts. What are they? So this one, a topic sentence, supporting sentences, and then a concluding sentences. So you will have 3 parts in your paragraph letter. So what is topic sentence? The topic sentences, the topic sentence states the main idea of the paragraph. It not only names the topic of the paragraph, but it also limits the topic to one specific area that can be discussed completely in the space of a single paragraph. So the part of the topic sentence that announces the specific area to be discussed is called the controlling idea. Okay, so when we discuss about topic sentence, there will be controlling idea in that topic sentence. Okay, look at this sentence. Gold is a precious metal, is prized for 2 important characteristics. This is actually the topic sentence. Okay, from here to here. But what is actually the topic? The topic is about gold. When we want to discuss about gold, we need to limit what we are going to discuss because it's too general when you only mention gold, right? So you have to limit what you are going to discuss in your paragraph. Now the way how to limit it is by adding your controlling idea, which is the predicate here, the verb here have to contain your controlling idea. So it's prized for 2 important characteristics. So what you are going to discuss here is only 2 important characteristics of gold. All right, you're not going to discuss 3 or 4 important characteristics. You're not going to discuss whether its gold is expensive, whether its gold is something else. What you need to discuss here is only characteristics. So you have already limited your paragraph. All right, so the point is, when you write a paragraph, please make sure you make a good topic sentence which contain a topic and then controlling idea. Remember, controlling idea is the things that you are discussing in your paragraph. Okay, next, supporting sentences. So supporting sentences develop the topic sentence. That is, they explain or prove the topic sentence by giving more information about it. Alright, so this is your topic, right? Your topic sentence. Now, after you write your topic sentence, you have to write your supporting sentence. Okay? For example, here, first of all, for example, another important characteristic, the most recent use, as you can see here. Alright, so this one, okay, is the topic. And then from here to here is the supporting sentences that explain 2 important characteristics. Alright? Next, the third part or the last part that you need to write in your paragraph is the concluding sentence. The concluding sentence signals the end of the paragraph and leaves the reader with important points to remember. So you make your paragraphs into a point or 2 points or several points that your reader can get it easily. For example, here in conclusion, gold is treasured not only for its beauty but also for its utility. Okay, so concluding sentences are customary for standalone paragraphs. However, paragraphs that are parts of a longer piece of writing usually do not need concluding sentences. So, if you write longer piece of writing, like for example, book, novel, you do not need concluding sentences usually, right? Next, topic sentence. We're going to discuss this in detail. Alright, so every good paragraph has a topic sentence. So you should keep this in your mind, that you have to create topic sentence whenever you write a paragraph, especially in this lesson, in this course. So a topic sentence is the most important sentence in a paragraph. It briefly indicates what the paragraph is going to discuss. Alright, so for this reason, the topic sentence is a helpful guide to both the writer and the reader. The writer can see what information to include, so you know what you want to discuss, and then the reader can see what the paragraph is going to be about, so your reader can predict what you are discussing. Alright, now here are 3 important points to remember about a topic sentence. A topic sentence is a complete sentence, means that in your paragraph, in your topic sentence, make sure you have subject and verb. Alright, complete subject and verb at least. You may have object, you may have adverb, but at least you have to have subject and verb, or subject and predicate. Yeah, look at this. Driving on freeways. This one is not complete. How to register for college classes. This one is not complete. The rise of indie films. This one is not complete. So this one is not a topic sentence. Next, a topic sentence contains both a topic and a controlling idea. So you have to state what your topic is. For example, about gold, about Unsri, or anything else. And then you describe the controlling idea or the things that you want to explain about the topic. Alright, so for example, you want to discuss about your idol. For example, who? For example, your mom, your mother. So you need to state your mother first, and then what you are going to discuss about her as the controlling idea. Yeah, so it names the topic and then limits the topic to a specific area to be discussed in the space of a single paragraph. Alright, so look at here. Driving on freeways, this is the topic, requires skill and alertness. Alright, here you will write about the skill and alertness in driving on freeways. And then, registering for college classes, this is the topic. What you are going to write about this topic is a frustrating experience for new students. So you will discuss an experience for new students about this. And then, the rise of indie films is due to several factors. So you are going to discuss about the rise of indie films, but what you need to discuss further is the several factors of the rise of this indie film. Okay? So when I ask you to write a paragraph letter, make sure you write this way. You write the topic first, and then you write the controlling idea, the things that you want to discuss. Next, number 3, a topic sentence is the most general statement in the paragraph because it gives only the main idea. So it is the most general because it contains main idea. It does not give any specific detail. So do not be too specific. Alright? A topic sentence is like the name of a particular course on a restaurant menu. Yeah, for example, you see bakso, right? So bakso is the topic, but maybe you want to know particular things about bakso. For example, the ingredients. So you will know, you will be informed that the ingredients of bakso is meat, and then flour, and then egg, and then garlic, right? However, you will not know in detail, yeah, how the ingredients will be mixed. It will be another thing. Okay, so it will focus on the general idea only. For example, following is a general statement that could serve as a topic sentence. The Arabic origin of many English words is not always obvious. So the topic is the Arabic origin of many English. The controlling idea is not always obvious. But if you write your topic sentence like this, the slang expression so long, meaning goodbye, is probably a corruption of the Arabic salam. It is too detailed to be a topic sentence, right? Too detailed, too specific. And then this one is too general. English has been influenced by other languages. Too general. because you will mention any other languages, not the Arabic. It's too general. All right, so